Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another OTA TV antenna to show you that I've just recently tested. This is the model AT-415B, or it's also called the UFO antenna. Kind of looks like a UFO there. As you can mount it on the side of your house or on top of your house, on railing, so it's easy to mount. Comes with the mounting hardware and the cable. So it's 15 inches in diameter, and I recently installed it. I'll show you my installations. Here's my antenna farm. It's really growing. There's the previous model I did, the 800 SBS. This is the new one right here. Does look something like a UFO. And let me show you a couple more pictures. There's the opening right there between the two trees. And most of the transmitters that I can receive, which are like 35 miles away, are in that direction. So when I'm doing testing up in my office, let me see if I can show you a picture of that. No, that's not it. That's not it. There it is. My office window is right here. So it wants to go that direction. Where is the tree? So that's where I'm struggling. Now let me go back, and I think I have, yeah, here's the tree that's, I think, preventing me from getting one station with this antenna. It's omnidirectional that I had hoped I would get. That's this direction, almost north, but it did not receive it. Probably this massive tree right here messed me up. This one, of course, did not receive it because it's a little bit directional, so that could have something to do with it. So let me show you my test results. They're here someplace. Here we go. Okay, here's all the possible stations, and this is sorted by distance to the transmitter right here. So you can see, and then the other thing, there's lots of variables. Maybe, you know, this data is old and this station is no longer transmitting. Maybe that's why I can't get this one in Largo that's only 4.8 miles from me. This one is 190 degrees. So I don't have the 800 pointed that way, and the UFO should have been able to pick that up. It's only 4.8 miles, but maybe it's off the air. See, here is the 800. And here is the two tests I did recently using the UFO early in the morning. Also found out that a few stations, a few channels will go off the air during certain times of the day. I think I received more stations, a few more, in the late afternoon and not in the early morning, which these tests were in the early morning. This was in the late afternoon. I don't remember the exact time. So you can see that the UFO antenna did pretty good. It even received some stations the ATS did not receive. I don't understand why this did not receive those stations. It's only 9 miles. Excuse me. But it didn't. And I haven't gone back and tested it at different times of the day. But in general, it received at least as many. Oh, I take that back. It so far has received the most channels. Okay, so we come down here. Let me get in this section. Come down here, pretty much duplicated. And I only mark received if there are no dropouts. So if during the scan for channels, it caught a channel, and then when I went back to look at it, it was intermittent, that I didn't count it. So this one got 118 channels. This one got 89 on one test and 94 on another test. And you can see, let me see, quickly find. Just trying to quickly find the stations that it didn't find on my second test, but I don't see them offhand. Oh, here's some right here. First test a couple of days ago, it got these, didn't get these. The 800 received these. These are 33 miles from me at 109 degrees. Should have gotten them, may have been off the air early in the morning. That could be it. So I'm pretty impressed with both of these antennas. Let me go back to the, where did it go? The website. Okay, here's the ANTOP website. This one is the UFO that I just tested. It's $117, and I believe the other one is about $150. They both have preamps. I don't know if it shows you. Let me look down here. I was just trying to see it showed you. Yeah, there's the preamp for this one. There's how it's constructed. Very easy to install. Can use it on an RV. So I'm pretty impressed. I've got a couple more they sent me to test. Actually, one I've tested and I've got results to show you. And if you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm doing shows that you're interested in and not wasting your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.